It really comes down to where our strengths lie. Wolverine's always been at our best when the work is complex and the stakes are high. The nuclear industry is built on safety and quality. It's the exact values that we built our reputation on. We really wanted to support another industry that rewards doing the job right the first time, and we felt that nuclear really was the best fit for that mindset. It really started only about a year ago. We saw the growth that is going to be expected in Ontario, and nuclear is on the forefront of that. So we felt that the way that our business model operates, it was a really good suit for the nuclear industry and how we can support that. There's been a really big push in Canada and Ontario for a net zero, which is a big demand that's coming from the new technologies and electrification. Everyone really realizes that it needs to be, a 24/7 clean power source. Nuclear is the only one that can really handle that heavy lifting now. So for Wolverine, it's a chance to be part of a long-term solutions for the province's energy needs. And that's a pretty exciting place to be right now and to be at the early stages of that development. What it really does is it takes what we already do and it kind of turns it up to 11. In this industry, the bar is set so very high, and it's rightfully so. Nuclear safety is of critical importance. But it's just really about the traceability. It's not just doing a great job, but having all the documentation in place that you can prove exactly how it was done. So our new CSA N299 program that's our roadmap. So it's keeping us disciplined and ensures our quality systems are as robust as the components we are building. So we've been working at a very high standard for years in the petrochemical side. To move into the nuclear sector, it really wasn't much of a culture shock for us. It was really just standardizing some things more to a nuclear standard, where our CSA N299 program came into place. So with our first audit in the books, this is allowing us to do non-nuclear components for nuclear facilities. So that's where we want to start. Ultimately, how you fabricate doesn't change. What changes is the paperwork in the background. So we just make sure that we have a lot of management controls in place, documentation in place, and a lot of controls for managing where we purchase our materials, where we purchase our consumables. But on the shop floor, they're still welding pipe together, so there's no changes on that side of things. It all started really about 4 years ago. When I came in the company, we had a piping cert and 4 welding procedures. Now we've gotten to the point where we have a full library of TSSA certifications to do anything from piping to pressure vessel manufacturing to repair and alterations, to our latest was our ASME U1 pressure vessel manufacturing certification. We have certification with the CWB, and our quality management system is also approved under ISO 9001 as well. So naturally, the next step was to dive into the nuclear side, which gets us on the road of the CSA N299. I've just recently finished our first supplier assessment on. Ontario is just starting to invest again into this nuclear sector, and they don't plan on just investing in the next couple of years. It's going to be for the next few decades. Being part of this nuclear development is very exciting.